Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench in some other disk drive rather than installing it in the default local disk C. So let's get started. So here I'm having the MySQL installer. I will just open it and click on yes for everything. And yeah, we'll be choosing a setup type. Here you need to go to custom and click on next, and I'll be adding all the necessary products to be installed. So just go to this. First thing is we need the server, and next is we need MySQL Workbench and also MySQL shell. Yeah, once you're done with this, you need to now just click on MySQL server. Just click here, and at the bottom you'll be having advanced options. Click this, and here you can see we will be getting an option to change the install directory as well as the data directory. So for this you can just close it at the moment and go to the desired folder where you want MySQL to get installed. For me, I want it to get installed in new volume E. So I'll just go here and I'll just create two folders. One is only MySQL like this, and you can just name it anything, that's up to you. And next one is going to be MySQL data. Yeah, and now again go to the setup, again click on the server, go to advanced options, and now click on this browse button. You can just go to your local disk E because I just created two new folders there. Click on OK and just put a backslash and paste the path like this. And you can do the same for data directory also. Just go to this PC, local disk E, and here you'll be having MySQL data. OK, and again put a backslash and you need to paste here MySQL server 8.0. so this is the path, and just click on OK. Yeah, this is done for server. So now the server path has been altered, and just repeat the same for Workbench also. Click on advanced option, make sure that you're copying the MySQL Workbench 8.0, and just click this, and again go to local E and MySQL. OK, and put a slash and paste it. Alright, just click on OK, and same thing for shell also. Copy this, browse, local disk E, MySQL, and put a backslash and paste the path. Yeah, and click on OK. So that's it. Now we are good. Yeah, everything is fine, and just click on next, and that's it. You can just click on execute. It will take some time, just be patient. Just click on next, this is fine, next. Just enter a password. Yeah, this is fine, next again, and execute. So once it is successful, just click on finish and next. And I don't want to start it now, so I'll just close it and finish it. So now if I go to MySQL, we will be having all the things installed inside this. Yeah, and now next thing is you need to go to command prompt, and if you run the command MySQL space -- version, we'll be getting an error, MySQL is not recognized. So let's see how we can solve this. So for this, just go to the folder where you have installed MySQL server and go to bin. Just copy this path and search for environment. You will be getting the edit the system environment variables. Open it, and here environment variables, under user variables or system variables, you need to click on this path. I will go with system variables, edit, new, and just paste this particular path. Alright, and just click on OK everywhere. Yeah, now you need to just close your command prompt. Make sure that you are restarting it, command prompt alone. Again open it, and we will run the same command. It's going to be MySQL -- version, and this time here you can see we are getting the MySQL version, so it's configured perfectly. And final thing, let's just test it by running a query in MySQL Workbench. So just search for MySQL. We'll be getting the MySQL Workbench. Open it, and here just click a plus icon and you need to create a new connection. So I'll just go with new connection like this. If you want, you can have a password, something like that. I don't need that. And open this, and let me just create a database. It's going to create database, new connection, something like this. I'll just run this, and it's a green color mark. And if I just refresh the schemas, I'll be getting my database over here, which means that everything is working perfectly with our MySQL Workbench being installed in a different location. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of tutorials in MySQL queries, MongoDB queries, as well as CRUD operations in Node.js, Spring Boot, MongoDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Gemini AI, OpenAI, APIs, AI tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.